Still copy-pasting your prospects data from LinkedIn to Pipedrive? What if I tell you that saving LinkedIn contacts to Pipedrive took just few clicks? No more copy-paste chaos, no more tab juggling. Meet LinkMatch for Pipedrive, your new time-saving, lead-loving sidekick. Let me show you. Here's your LinkedIn prospect, and here's what magic looks like. Just click Add to Pipedrive and create a contact with all the key information pulled in automatically. Hi, I'm Alex from LinkMatch, and in this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to use LinkMatch to save LinkedIn profiles straight into Pipedrive. Let's make quick setup first. Go to linkmatch.com, click Add to Chrome, choose Pipedrive, and add extension. You should sign in with your Pipedrive account. And done, you are ready to roll on. Now let's head over to LinkedIn. When LinkMatch is active, you'll see a red cross next to your profile. This means this contact is not yet in your CRM. After clicking the Add to Pipedrive button, you'll see the LinkMatch windows popping up. Once you hit Create Contact, the red cross turns into a green check mark. That's your signal that the contact was successfully saved into your CRM. Here's the good part. All the LinkedIn data, like name, title, company, location, is already mapped to your CRM fields. And yes, you can customize which fields get saved and where. I will leave a link to a tutorial for mapping fields in case you want to go deeper into this feature. Let's come back to our LinkMatch window. From here, you may instantly open the information you've saved in your Pipedrive. You may even jump into the Pipedrive itself, clicking to this link. Yes, it's really that cool. It gets even cooler when you are using Sales Navigator or LinkedIn Register, as you can save entire lists of profiles with just one click. Total game changer. More on that in upcoming videos. I will also show you how LinkMatch syncs LinkedIn message history with your CRM and lets you create tasks, deals, and more, all from LinkedIn page. Give LinkMatch a try at linkmatch.com and see you in the next videos.